hello, my name is Mohammad Abdulaziz. I'm like 33 years old. So I've been diagnosed with AVN in the month January 2021. The pain started around September, and I went to various orthopedicians and all. At that point of time, I couldn't get to know what is it all about. But when I did an MRI, I was said that I was having AVN third stage in my left hip joint. And after that, I took a lot of bed rest, and I was inquiring like what can be done. So then on YouTube, I got to know about Ayurvedic Neurotherapy Center, that there is one of it in Hyderabad. So I plan to visit. I have visited this thing in the month of May, and this is probably my third sitting, and the pain is completely gone, I can say. Hardly like 10% of pain is remaining, and besides that, I don't have to take any painkiller. So people who are having AVN and who are nearby in Hyderabad, they can prefer consulting Swastik Ayurveda, because here we are getting good results and the staff is very cooperative, the doctors as well. In the beginning, the pain was more, I was limping a lot. Because of that, I wasn't able to move at all. But now the movement is good, and the limping has decreased, and I'm positive that it will completely reduce. Now, previously, I used to, means whenever I would sit for a longer time and I would get up, there would be a lot of pain in my knee. But now the pain is like almost like very less. I'm able to do my normal things, climb stairs and all. Besides that, the intensity of pain has reduced. The pain is not that much. It is in control at the moment, and moreover, I can do things, normal things, except running at the moment. But I can do most of them. So there is a lot of change in my physical walking also. Earlier, I used to limp a lot, but now the limping has reduced. People who have not seen that, they also said that there is a lot of change in my walking style. Hardly like 5% or 10% of limp is there now.